It's 7:12 a.m. You're sipping coffee, a lead hits your inbox asking for a firm price, and 5 minutes later, you've sent a tailored contract and a payment link, signed hours after breakfast. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast. I'm Marcus Chen.
No way. 5 minutes sounds like magic. Tell me the part people always skip, the guardrails. How do we keep that legally safe and human enough that clients trust it?
Good first question. At a high level, think pipeline, intake, pricing rationale, clause variants, doc assembly, and e-sign, payment, CRM update. The trick is automating drafts, not legal finality. We bake in a vetted clause library and a human review gate for anything above your risk threshold.
Okay, let me read you the exact prompt I use for pricing rationale so you can hear the voice clients get. Short and client-facing. You are a contract-savvy pricing analyst for a freelance product designer. Input, project scope, client risk signals, target margin. Output, one paragraph pricing rationale that explains deliverables, time estimate, fixed price, and 2 optional upsells in plain English.
Hold up. Does the output actually call out revision rounds and assumptions? That's where clients and providers trip up.
Yes, 4-week design sprint, research, wireframes, prototype. Fixed fee, $8,500. Includes 2 stakeholder reviews and 1 revision. Expedited timeline adds 20% for reduced revision rounds. Upsells, design system starter plus $2,000. Post-launch support, 3 months plus $1,200.
Curious. That reads human. I like it. But when an LLM drafts liability or IP language, we need templates and a human approval path, especially cross-border. Route EU or IP heavy work to review, always.
Absolutely. The clause generator produces 3 variants: minimal risk, balanced, and provider protective. Then a rule flags EU jurisdictions, high-value invoices, or IP concerns for mandatory human review. Here's the generator prompt. Generate 3 variants of a deliverables and liability clause. Input, country of record, client concern key. Output, variant A, B, C. Flag for review if EU or IP heavy.
Good. And preserve personalization tokens. Client name, a 2-word project note, 1 nod to prior convo. Little personal touches keep trust high and avoid sounding like a robot.
Let's talk negotiation fallbacks, tiny templates that keep momentum. Prompt, client counters on price. Output, 2 to 3 line reply. Acknowledge, restate 1 value point, offer a single concession or payment plan. Example, thanks, that makes sense. Similar projects saw a 30% lift in conversions. I can split the first milestone into 2 payments. Would that help? Short, actionable.
Quick policy. Never let automation accept counters past your floor. Add a rate limit and an approval toggle. Encrypt PII in transit and limit fields shared with connectors. Those basics get missed all the time.
Implementation stock for non-devs, an LLM endpoint, a doc assembly engine that supports versioned clause libraries, an e-sign provider like DocuSign or HelloSign, Stripe or PayPal for payments, and Zapier or Make to glue everything. Notion or Google Sheets as your lightweight CRM.
Make sure to use OAuth connectors, encrypted storage for generated docs, and test the flow with dummy entries. Map only the minimal required fields: project name, email, fee. Don't dump full client files into automations without consent.
Now, real ROI example, quick math. You close 20% of leads today, and it takes 3 days to get a signed contract. Automation cuts turnaround to 6 hours and boosts close rate to 30%. On 50 leads a month, that moves you from 10 bookings to 15 bookings at an average first invoice of $2,000.
Wait, do you mean 5 extra bookings total or 5 net new? I want the listeners to follow the math precisely.
5 net new bookings, so that's an additional $10,000 monthly from first invoices alone. Even after a modest 10% subscription and connector cost, you still net a meaningful uplift, plus hours back that you can use to deliver or explore another city.
Those are compelling numbers, but a quick friction point. For enterprise or high-touch clients, speed without personalization feels brittle. I'm not sure I buy full automation there. You're better off using AI as a drafting assistant and preserving manual touch for strategic deals.
100% agreed. Treat the concierge as auto for routine, assist for strategic. Set thresholds, invoice value, industry, or client type that require human edits. The human review gate is non-negotiable for scaled, high-risk activity. Time for the 3-minute MVP you can run now. 1. Pick a single use case. 1-page fixed-fee web design. 2. Build 3 clause templates in your doc engine. Scope, timeline, payment. 3. Write an LLM prompt to fill those templates from 5 input fields. 4. Connect eSign and Stripe to generate a payment link. 5. Add a human review toggle for invoices above your threshold. Test with a dummy lead and iterate.
And my recommended safeguards: get a clause library reviewed by counsel for your main jurisdictions. Keep an automated invite to speak with a human in every message, and audit contract outputs weekly for the first month. Small audits prevent large problems.
You and your audits. Love it. Quick real-world win. A nomad copywriter we worked with used this concierge. Turnaround dropped from 2 days to under 12 hours. Close rate jumped from 18% to 32%. And first month invoices rose by $4,200. The human gate caught 2 clauses that needed localization. No legal incidents.
That's the right balance. Speed plus safety. Keep empathy in messages. Name the client's need in the first line. That single line increases trust a lot more than you think.
Final action, build your 3-minute MVP now. If you want templates, Zap recipes, clause libraries, and a live guided build, join the Automations Lab. Bring a dummy lead and we wire your concierge together. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. That's your AI blueprint for today.
Plus, Sophia-approved ethical checklists and human review templates in the lab. Let's make this actually work for you. Start small, but think big.
Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses and join the Automations Lab. See you in the build session. Next episode, we'll wire an onboarding chatbot that converts leads into paid trials. Don't miss it.